Today I want to give you guys a very practical tip on how you can improve your performance in everything you do. Um, I'm a huge believer in warm-ups, okay? Whether you play a sport, whether you're getting ready for a test, whether you're getting ready for the day, a warm-up is hugely important because it gets your body and your mind in the right state of mind to tackle the objective ahead of you. And depending on what you're doing, a different warm-up can get different warm-ups are needed. But in this case, one of the most important things for you to remember is at the beginning of your day, when you're starting your day, a lot of people call it morning rituals, but I want you to think of it as a warm-up. It is very important for you to warm up for life because life itself is a game and a craft that you are trying to master, okay? And much like in a sport, the way you warm up is very simple. You review your goals, you set your goals for that session. You do that, you review what you've been working on, and you get your mind ready. Just a few very down to earth, simple things I think you would really benefit from doing is one, you want to meditate in the morning. Okay, the reason why, without overcomplicating it, is your brain is most malleable. That is, you can mold it the best in the morning. So if you can get it clear and focused through meditation, then that leads right into step two, is reviewing your goals. Okay, you want to focus on your definite chief aim first and foremost. Okay, you can call this section visualization as well, but the most important part is since you've meditated, your mind is almost a clear slate, and then you can, two, visualize this far off goal of yours that makes all your work worthwhile. Number three, you want to set your intention for the day. Number four, you want to review what exactly it is you are working on improving. And number five, just go up and get ready and shower. Make sure you look sharp, okay? Those are just very simple, easy warm-ups you can do in the morning. Personally, I don't exercise in the morning. I exercise later, okay? If you like to do that, throw that in too. But make sure you get in whatever kind of morning ritual you can because it's going to fire you up and get you right out the door, okay? Good luck.